Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by validating the essentials. Check storage, battery, and which Google account is active, because Play services rely on them. Once done, switch to a stable Wi-Fi. If unstable, toggle airplane mode for 5 to 10 seconds to reset networking. Next, force a quick restart of the device to clear transient glitches. Make sure you remain signed into the intended Google account. If not, sign in now so subsequent cache and data steps affect the right account. Now you dig into app-level fixes. Go to Settings, Apps, find Google Play Store and clear cache first, then clear data so the store can rebuild local records. After that, do the same for Google Play Services and Google Services Framework, because they provide background authentication and syncing. Clearing their cache resolves token conflicts. If the Play Store still fails, manually update or reinstall the Play Store APK to replace a corrupted binary. Make sure to allow installs. Finish with account and network recovery. Remove the Google account from settings, restart, then re-add it so authentication tokens are refreshed. After re-adding, force a manual sync. If problems persist, back up your data and perform a factory reset as the last resort, because that clears deep OS-level corruption. One key troubleshooting tip: if you use VPN, proxy, or custom DNS, disable them before retrying. Network routing often blocks Play Store authentication and looks like a device error when it is not.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.